Another day, another line of customers. Let's do this. Remember, Ethan, no repairs on anything older than 3 years. No exceptions. And no discounts without my approval. None. Understood? Understood, sir.
Excuse me, is there someone who can help me?
Of course, ma'am. What seems to be the problem?
My laptop won't turn on anymore. It's very old, I know.
This model is quite old. Let me take a closer look.
That laptop has the only photos I have left of my husband. He passed away last year.
I'm so sorry to hear that, ma'am. 3 years, this laptop is way past that. But
I'm on a fixed pension now. I just hope the repair isn't too expensive.
don't worry about that right now. Let's just see what's wrong first. Rules are rules, but she needs this. I can't just say no. Leave it with me, Mrs. Parker. I'll take care of it personally.
Thank you, Ethan.
Come on, old friend. Let's get you working again. There we go. Welcome back. It's all fixed, Mrs. Parker. Take a look.
Oh, there he is. I can see his face again.
She doesn't need to know. This is the least I can do. Just a small discount today, ma'am. Don't worry about it.
Thank you, young man. You have no idea what this means to me.
What is this, a repair on a 5-year-old laptop? That's clearly against policy. Who approved this? And a 50% discount. Unauthorized. Ethan! Ethan, my office, now! You repaired an old laptop and gave away half the price. Both against the rules. Sir, if you let me explain. That laptop had the only photos of her late husband. She's on a fixed pension. I just wanted to help. Rules exist for a reason, Ethan. I'm sorry, but you're fired. Fired? For helping someone? I don't regret it. Not for a second. Hey, Grandma, how have you been? Wait, is this your old laptop? I thought it was broken.
A kind young man at the store fixed it for me. And he even lowered my bill by half, without me even asking.
He did that on his own? That's incredible, Grandma. People need to hear this story. I'm going to share it. This is the story of a man who chose kindness over rules.
Tonight, a story of kindness that cost a young man his job is capturing hearts online. Hello, this is Channel News 8. Could we speak with the employee who helped Mrs. Parker?
Actually, he doesn't work here anymore. Mr. Collins, sir, there are news reporters outside. They're asking for you. Reporters. What do they want? Reporters? For me? What is this about? It's about Ethan, sir, and Mrs. Parker. It's all over the internet. Oh no.
Mr. Collins, why was Ethan fired for helping an elderly widow in need?
I was only following company policy at the time.
Do you have anything to say to him or to the public right now?
I was wrong. Ethan showed real kindness, and I punished him for it instead of thanking him. To Ethan and to everyone watching, I am truly sorry. This will not happen again at Brightway Electronics. Brightway Electronics has faced strong criticism online for firing the employee behind this act of kindness. What have I done? Ethan, I was wrong. I'm sorry. I'd like to offer you your job back, with a promotion. And I'm changing the policy. Compassion will count from now on, not just rules. Thank you, sir. That means a lot. Guess kindness wasn't against policy after all. Sometimes doing the right thing costs you everything, until it gives you everything back.